Hello friends, in this session we'll discuss about Oracle SOA 12c correlation set. Correlation sets in asynchronous service. Correlation set provides another method for directing a web service responses to the correct BPL process service component instance. You can use correlation sets to identify the asynchronous messages to ensure that asynchronous callbacks locate the appropriate client. Now I'm creating a new SOA application. SOA 12c. SOA 12c hands-on my application. Now I'm creating a one project like house maintenance, flat maintenance. So I'm taking an empty composite. Save all. Now I'll drag and drop the BPL process into your components swim lane. Now I'll change the BPL process name as flat maintenance BPL process. I'm taking a template as a asynchronous template. I will modify my schema as per our requirement. So schema is already created. I'll copy paste my schema here. Now I'm modifying the root elements like flat maintenance request same as for response also. I'm following the camel case format. Now you will see the flat number, flat owner, flat maintenance bill, current bill, maintenance bill, and water bill. So we will send this request to the another service. Another service will total the bills and send back to the same service. Save all. Come back to your WSDL. If you are modifying the root element's name, you need to change the in WSDL level also. Right. Now everything is good. So good. So save. Now I'm creating another project like flat maintenance total. Maintenance total. Okay. This is I'll take now I'll take empty composite. Now I'll drag and drop the BPL process. Now my BPL process name is flat maintenance total. So here now I am taking as a one way only. Now again I'll modify the schema I have already created. Now this is the schema. So previously I already created. I'm reusing this here. Now yes. Now I'll change the name as flat maintenance total request. Right. So we'll see the design mode and total flat number. So all are correct. Okay. Come back to total maintenance will send a response to receive that message from total maintenance. For that one, I'll create another another operation in the flat maintenance. For that one, I'll modify schema also. So just I'll reuse the same thing, but I'll modify the for receive the response from the total flat maintenance total. For that one, flat maintenance result. I'll name it as a flat maintenance result, total result, and I'll put a prefix for the unique name tr. I'll put tr. Okay. Now, so in XSD level we modify, and visitor level I'll create another operation. So this is right. So I'll do one thing. I'll modify the names also. For that one, flat maintenance. I'll use flat maintenance is operation name and same. Okay. So now I'll create another operation name flat maintenance total result. What we used previously, what was total result, correct? Total result. So now we need to create forget about the messages. For messages we need to create a message also for total. Now flat maintenance and select element as a result. Now fine, and the same thing here we need to change the message as a result. Now right, now our visual ready. See, it has a 3 operations. So for flat maintenance total, send a response to this operation. Okay, now we'll deploy the services, because we need to call back the flat maintenance total to send a message. For that one we want concrete visual. First I'll deploy flat maintenance. If it already existed, it will be overwritten, but it's not there. I'll use my local server. So I'm using the latest version like Oracle SOA 12c 212 versions. Okay, so I'm deploying. Yes, we have two messages because we changed the operation names. Okay, we forget to, because we changed the operation names, right? Save, and again for callback also change. Save. Right, again deploy it again. Yes, compilation 00, build. Yeah, deployment finished. Okay, fine. So we'll deploy flat maintenance total also. For that one, I'll change the visitor level. Now I'll change the name also, visitor name. We forget these things, right? So total result, and I will change the name total flat. Okay, that's fine. Again, I'm deploying flat maintenance total service also. So flat maintenance total is also deployed. Okay, and close all and copy the visitor. So, so you can take the visitor from EM console level. I'm pretty much comfortable in JDeveloper. Expand SOA. Now look for the flat maintenance drive. Flat maintenance total service. Right click on the service and copy the path. Okay. Now open your flat maintenance service and create a service using the SOAP adapter and paste your copied visitor. Yes, flat maintenance total. Okay, and give the name as. Now I'll change the name as flat flat maintenance total reference. Now I'm copying the visitor into my local. Click OK. Maintain the result. Okay. So connect the file from your Beeple component to your service. Save all. So check visuals, concrete visuals are added into your folder. Okay. Double click on the me component and for connect the service we'll use the invoke activity. Drag and drop the invoke activity and connect it to your reference. Name it as FMT, the flat maintenance total. So it's one way. That's the reason we highlight only we can create only input variable. So flat maintenance total input variable only. Right. It's good. Now, so to initialize the input for reference, drag and drop the assign activity and change the name, assign input from your input variable to flat maintenance input variable, total input variable, flat number to flat number, owner, current bill, maintenance bill, and water bill. Now, so fine. Again, copy the flat maintenance digital path, and open your flat maintenance total service. Now drag and drop the soap adapter, or you can use here also. Now what operation we need to set? So we want to set flat maintenance BPL process, and I'll copy as a flat maintenance reference. Sorry, okay, flat maintenance, and copy the digital path. Same location. Now connect the wire from your BPL component to your reference. Now double click on the BPL. We'll use invoked activity to connect it. Here you need to select which operation we need to send. We need to send not flat maintenance total result. So now I'm fmtr, create an input variable, drag and drop the assign activity, assign input. Now, so flat maintenance total receive these values, will assign flat number to flat number, owner to owner, and total bill we need to add current bill, maintenance bill, water bill. For that one I'll use expression builder. Here current bill plus maintenance bill plus water bill. Select OK. So total bill was assigned, apply OK. Now fine, and close your total maintenance service and come back to your flat maintenance service. Open a double click on the people component. So this guy was sending the information to this operation, right? So for that one, in flat maintenance service we need to receive that message. For that one we'll use flat maintenance, don't confuse it, flat maintenance service. Open the flat maintenance service, click on the people. So to receive the result we use receive activity, and connect the wire, flat maintenance result. It's like a fmtr, create a variable like fmtr input variable. The total result comes to this variable. Okay, now so see the direction, it comes from the client only, not for the reference side. So we need to initialize from the receive activity to callback activity. For that one we'll use assign activity. Whatever we receive, that will be transferred from your total result variable to output variable. Yes, now fine. So services side is everything Fine, good, we completed. Now the correlation comes into the picture. The correlation set where exactly we need to create in the total side or flat maintenance side. In the flat maintenance side we need to create. Okay, so outgoing call, it will create a in outgoing call it goes along goes with the correlation ID. For that one, right click on the invoke activities, set up correlation set. So here we need to give a correlation set name, flat correlation set. Okay, here we need to create the property name as flat id, flat id, it's string. Now it's initiate, yes, and pattern is request pattern, is outgoing, right? It's a request pattern. And here we need to specify the alias property name. So copy, I'm using the correlation ID as a flat number. Next, and specify the other activities will be part of the correlation. Yes, other activity receive is the other activity in the correlation set, and edit the correlation set. Now initiate is no. Now I'm creating property alias. Now the property alias is tr flat number. Done. Next, now see in the invocation side, the flat number is whatever this, suppose flat number is 101, we are is outgoing side, and incoming side the only 101 will be received. The correct instance, the correct flat number, flat bill will be assigned to the correct flat number. Correct. Now open your correlation set, right, and unclear the pattern, because if your pattern has a request pattern, then you will get a faulted out. So for that one we clear the pattern as empty. Now I'll again deploy both the services because all are completed. RS00 and deployment finished. Okay, same thing, deploy again flat maintenance total also. So flat maintenance total also deployed. So now we will test the service. So refresh it. Click on the deployed composites. So I'll test flat maintenance. Click on the flat maintenance composite. Now test the service. Now I am passing flat number 101 some XYZ, current bill 1500, maintenance 2500, water bill is 1000 rupees. Now we'll test. So we'll see the flow. Click on the launch flow trace. Yes, it's success. So B flat maintenance total process, click on that. So receive input. So these are the repassed, and this information sent to flat maintenance total. This is a one-way operation. So yes, and again we received a total result as, yes, see this flat number 101 XYZ 5000. So what we passed, so we'll calculate one more time. So 1500, 2000, 4000, 5000. Yes, total is correct. And the same value will assign to the callback activity. Okay, fine. We'll test one more time. Come back. Now the flat number is 201, and now ABC flat number, and now the bill is 1500, 150, 200, 100. Now the total is 304,450. Now test again. Now the flat number is 201. Okay, we'll see. Click on the launch flow. Directly we'll go to the callback activity. No need to check the callback activity. We'll see. Yes, 201 ABC flat number. So this is the way to handle the correlation set in Oracle SOA 12c. Thank you.